to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Now I don't ever use concealer because I typically don't wear makeup, but I definitely want to start getting into wearing makeup because it seems like a fun little, I don't know, it just seems like a fun talent to have, I would say. But you're only going to need 4 things for today's tutorial. First, you're going to need the, I don't know if it's Anastasia or Anastasia, but this is their brow powder duo. I have the brown one and I only use one side. As you could tell, you can see the little dent. I use the lighter side for my brows. The next thing you're gonna need is an applicator for your brow powder. This is a brush. It's by Nikak, New York. I don't know. This is just a brush I've bought from the not the dollar store, I'm sorry, the beauty supply store like months ago, I feel like, and it works really well. It has a little applicator and it has a brush you can brush your brows out. The next thing you will need is this e.l.f. brow lift. I freaking love this. Love it. Days that I don't like to do much with my brows, I only put this on and I don't do any filler. But days like I'm like, oh, going somewhere and I actually feel like putting effort into my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. brow lift. I just bought this not that long ago. I think I bought it in November. And this is what it looks like. Well, it's clear. I want to show you that, but obviously, like, you see that I've used it because it's amazing. Why would I not use it, you know? The next thing you're gonna need is this. This is actually, it doesn't come with it. They're obviously sold separately. It's the brow lift applicator. As you can see, it's not gonna clear, but yeah, as you can see. And it comes with like the little applicator where you scoop it out here and then the brush. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, I just make sure my brows are brushed out completely. Then I start with my duo palette, and I always use the lighter side because you don't always need your eyebrows to be like the blackest of black because it's just not a natural look. Like, your hair is brown. It's okay. It's dark brown, yes, but it's brown. I always start in the middle of my brow and never in the beginning because it makes your brows look blocky and unnatural, and I always want my brows to look the most natural they can look. So I start with the powder in the middle and I never put it in the very beginning of my brow. Also, I just want to say, for the sake of the video, my brows are threaded. I do get them threaded, but I get them threaded once, like I would say like once a month, or sometimes I even thug it out and do every 2 months, just depending on whatever I have coming up or if they're looking, you know, bad or good or whatever. Then when I'm done with my powder and I'm satisfied with how it looks dry, I like to take my e.l.f. brow lift in the applicator and just put it all over my brow from the beginning all the way into the end. And I put a very little amount because you don't need a lot. With this, like, a little goes a long way. And I brush all of my hairs in the direction that they're going. And then the ones in the beginning, I always try to brush up. And then I kind of just line them. I know a lot of the girlies these days, they like to, you know, like just leave them brushed up. And I love that look for certain people, but like specifically, I don't really like it for me. I've tried it. It is cute, but that's not how I always do my brows. And I wanted to be very transparent about that. And yeah, there's a difference. And I think she looks cute. And then I'm just going in and doing the same thing with the other brow. All right, this is what my brows look like after I'm all done. It literally is called Brow Lift for a reason by Elf. By Elf. That is that you can use any type of eyebrow brush, literally, like literally any type of eyebrow brush, like it does not matter. But yeah, these are my brows. I think they look pretty good. I freaking love them. I can't wait to get my lashes done. I'm currently taking a break from lashes, so I have lashes left, if you catch my drift. But yes, thank you so much for tuning in with my video, and I'll be posting a lot more now. I just need to find the motivation. But yes, so thank you so much for tuning in with this video. I will link everything that I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching.